Let's learn how to replace a video background using Capcut on PC. First, create a new Capcut project and import your main video and the image or video you want to use as the new background. Drag your main video onto the timeline. With the main video selected, go to the Cutout tab and click Auto Cutout. This will automatically remove the main video's background. Insert the new background image or video on a lower timeline track. Position your main video with cutout foreground over the new background. Ensure they are the same length to sync up. Now view the updated video with your custom background. It's that quick to replace video backgrounds in Capcut using the helpful Cutout tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this Capcut PC background change tutorial helpful.